Yes, now we will do the fourth type of adjective. These are some sentences as examples. This is my horse. This horse is mine. Yes, in these two sentences, which word is common? This. And we already know that this is demonstrative pronoun also. So in these two sentences, what is the difference in the use of this word? This is my horse. Here this is used as demonstrative pronoun, but in the second sentences, this horse is mine, it comes just before the noun. So here it works like demonstrative adjective. In third and fourth, that is your computer. That computer is yours. So the what is the common word? That. In third sentence, that is your computer is, that is working as demonstrative pronoun. And in fourth sentence, that computer is yours. So it comes just before the noun. So here it is working like demonstrative adjective. So other examples, I give these apples. Our noun is apples, and these apples. Which apples? These apples. So these the word is working here as demonstrative pronoun. That girl is my niece. That girl. Girl is noun, and that demonstrative adjective. This word is working here as demonstrative adjective. So fourth type of adjective is demonstrative adjectives. An adjective that points out some person or things is called a demonstrative adjective. It answers the question which. Examples, other examples, I like those mangoes. So those mangoes, those is demonstrative adjective. I hate such men. Such is demonstrative adjective. She lives on that hill. So that is demonstrative adjective. Now there are some examples, and you can easily identify that these are interrogative sentences on the both side. First of all, we will see green sentences. What is your name? Who lives in this house? Where do you live? Whom do you like the most? Yes, as you have remembered that we have studied this in interrogative pronoun. So this is working like interrogative pronoun. What, who, where, whom. These words are working here as interrogative pronoun. And now let's take these pink sentences. Whose pen is this? What color is your shirt? Which way leads to the shopping mall? Which vegetables do you like? Whose house is this? Yes, these all sentences are interrogative, but the major difference is in these sentences these words come just before the noun. So these words are working here like adjectives, because adjectives generally comes before the noun. So what color? What color? Which way? Way is noun. Which is working like an adjective. Which vegetable? So which is an adjective. Whose house? House is noun, and whose is here interrogative adjective. So these are working here interrogative as interrogative adjectives. Fifth type of interrogative adjective. Sorry, this is adjective. An adjective that is used with a noun and asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. Examples: whose, which, what, etc. And now six type of adjectives. Here are some examples. My book is on the table. I think you forgot your purse. The dog buried its bone. The girls missed their bus. Joy left his bat at home. So in identify the nouns: table, book. Here We have some words just before the noun, my. We have already studied about this word in possessive pronoun. My, this word shows possession, ownership, relation. And in second sentence, I think you forget your purse. Your. Whose purse? Your purse. The dog buried its bone. Its bone. Whose bone? Its bone. The dog's bone. The girls missed their bus. Whose bus? Their bus. The girls' bus. Joel left his bat at home. Whose bat? His bat. So these words describes these words describe book, purse, bone, bus, bat. But these are denoting possession, ownership. So these words are called possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. An adjective that shows possession and relationship is called a possessive adjective. Examples are my, your, his, her, its, her, their. But we have studied these all words in possessive pronouns also, so don't get confused. Here possessive pronouns and possessive adjective difference. Possessive pronoun replace nouns and noun phrases, but possessive adjectives describes noun. Possessive pronouns include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. But possessive adjective my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Possessive pronoun can act as subject or object. Means it can be there as at the place of subject or at the place of object. But possessive adjectives act as modifiers. Means just before the nouns. Possessive pronouns are not followed by a noun, but possessive adjectives are followed by a noun. Here this is more clear to you. These are possessive pronouns. Mine, this book is mine. Yours, this is this yours? His, this isn't my jacket, it's his. Hers, the car is hers. Ours, the car is ours. Theirs, the house is theirs. These pronouns goes after the subject or after the noun or pronoun. So these are adjectives just these come just before the noun. This is my book. This is your umbrella. He lent me his jacket. I borrowed her car. Do you like my doll? A lot of our friends, their house is lovely. There. Now the activity time, practice time. Find the adjective and write its type. You have to find out the adjective in each line and write its type also. The first is done for you. So Ajay is a handsome boy. So here adjective is handsome and it describes Ajay and it tells quality of Ajay. So this is adjective of quality. So you have to write adjectives and their types. You have to do the same thing in these sentences. So practice very well. Adjective are there in syllabus of class 6. So students of class 6, you are to make notes in your notebook of this adjective lesson and do this practice in your notebook as well as. So thank you and have a nice learning.